Hey there, folks. Today we're going to talk about tax and tip. Now, this is going to follow the same line as what we've been doing with proportions and percentages. So it shouldn't be too bad. Plus, it's kind of helpful. So, here's our example. Patricia takes her family out to breakfast. The total cost of food's $24. She left a 15% tip for the waiter. How much did Patricia leave for a tip? So, first off, look in your story. Find your information. The food's $24. She left a 15% tip. How much did she leave for the tip? That's what we're trying to find. So, for the tip here, what we're going to do is find 15% of 24. Just like before, you put 15 over 100 equals x over 24. Cross multiply and divide, you get 100x is equal to 360. And if you divide that by 100, x will equal $3.60. That is the tip. Now, can we find the tax? We can. What's the tax for Kentucky? The sales tax for Kentucky is 6%. I'll write that right here, 6%. So, if the tax is 6%, let's find what that is. 6 over 100 is equal to x over 24. Cross multiply and divide. You have 100x is equal to 6 times 24. That's 144. Again, divide by 100. X will equal $1.44. So, the tip's $3.60. The tax is $1.44. And Patricia bought or paid for $24 worth of food. What's the total bill? Find the total. So you need to take 24, and then you need to add $3.60, and you need to add $1.44. You're going to have 4, 0. Carry the 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Your total price will be $29.04. If you notice, just because you have the price of food doesn't mean you got off cheap there, right? Taxes and tips and everything else, those add on and they make a big difference in the final bill. Okay, let's check out a couple of more. We're not going to do all of these just for the essence of time. Okay? Let's see. We'll do number 1. Maybe we'll check out number 4. Maybe 8. And maybe 10. We'll see if we get to 10 or not. Okay. Logan and his father each have a sandwich that costs costs $7.25. And a drink that costs $2.15. Logan leaves a tip for 20%. How much tip did he leave? Well, first off, who's there? It's Logan and his father, right? That means there's 2 people. Each have a sandwich that costs $7.25 and a drink that costs $2.15. Then he leaves a 20% tip. So what do we got to do here? We got to do a little bit more figuring than normal. First off, we need to add $2.15 plus $7.25 because that's the cost of a meal per one person. That's going to be $9.40. But how many people ate lunch? Exactly, 2 people. So that means the total for lunch is $18.80. But does that answer the question we're looking for? It doesn't, right? We're looking for the tip. What's 20% of $18.80? So 20 over 100 is equal to x over 18.80. Cross, multiply, and divide. You get 100x is equal to 376. Oops. And then you divide by 100. Your tip is $3.76. That's the tip. Now, let's look at example number 4. A pizza order came out to be $39. And if a tip is 15% added, what is the total cost of the bill? So, what we're trying to do is find the total of the bill, right? Total cost of the bill. Your pizza's $39, and then you added 15%. You're adding that to the cost, right? So, let's start off with this. We know it's $39, but we need to know what 15% of that is to add for the total bill. So 15 over 100 is equal to x over 39. Cross, multiply, and divide. You have 39 times 15. That is 585. Now, divide by 100. 585 divided by 100 is going to give you 5.85. So that means the tip is $5.85. The cost is $39. Does that tell us the total? It doesn't, right? We got to add those two up. Add those two together. So 39 plus 5.85. So you're going to have 85, and then 9 plus 5 is a 4. Carry the 1, 4. Your total cost is $44.85. Let's look at number 8. Juan bought a laptop for $750 and a power adapter for $49. If the sales tax rate is 6%, what is the total amount that Juan paid? Look at this. He bought a laptop, and then he got a power adapter. So we got two things, like 2 items here, right? And then we got a sales tax of 6%. First off, we need to find the total that he paid for his items. That's 49 plus 750. What does that give you? 49 plus 750 is $7.99. So that's his total cost. I'm sorry, not his total cost. Well, his total cost that he paid for the items. Now, we need to find out what that sales tax is on $7.99. You have 6 over 100 equals x over $7.99. Cross, multiply, and divide. You have 100. X is equal to $7.99 times 6. 4794. Divided by 100 means that x equals 4794. So what does that tell us? That tells us the 6% tax. So the question is does that give us the answer we're looking for? It doesn't. Because if you notice, it says, what is the total amount that he paid? That means we need to add $7.99 to that. Because he paid $7.99 for the computer and the adapter. You get charged the tax. You got to add those together for a total cost. So $47.94 plus $7.99. Juan's total cost is $846.94. All right, let's check out one more. Kelsey went to American Eagle. She bought a pair of jeans for $32 or $32.99. She got a sweater for $21.25 and a button down for $14.95. If tax is 5.5%, if tax is 5.5% in her state, what's the total amount she'll pay? So, what she bought? How many items did she buy? She bought 3, right? So if you buy 3 items, you got to add those up first. 1, 2, 3, and then there's a sales tax. But remember, what is the total amount she will pay? So what do we got to do? Think about this. Think about it for a second. What do we got to do to find the total amount? If you told me that you got to add up the cost of all 3 items and then find 5.5% sales tax and then add that, then you're right. Now here, follow me. We're going to do 32.99, 21.25, 14.95. First, we got to add those up. And you should get 69.19. So I have 69.19. Now, I need to find the tax of 5.5%. So 5.5 over 100 is equal to x over 69.19. If you cross multiply and divide, 69.19 times 5.5, that's going to give you 380.545, and then we have to divide by 100. X, I'm running out of room here. X will equal $3.81. 381. Let me rewrite that. I don't really like the way that's written there. 3.81. So $3.81. Now can we find the total? We can, right? We can take this and add it to the 69.19. So 69.19 plus $3.81 means he spent 0, carry the 1, 0, carry the 1, 3, carry the 1, and 7. He spent $73 even. Okay, folks, that's your lesson on tax and tip. If you're wondering what's going on, try to take another look at the video. Maybe that'll help you out. If you're good to go, start your exit slip. If you finish your exit slip and you pass, move on to the homework. If you run into problems, let us know. If you don't pass it the first